Okay, Ranveer, I want you to repeat that. What did you say is the meaning of the word logo?
Logo is something that represents the company.
Wow, that's a good answer. Logo is something. Okay, we will say logo is an image that represents the company. वो logo देखते साथ ही we will understand which company this is. Okay, or what does that logo tell us? मतलब उसको देख के हमें तुरंत पता चलता है कि है क्या चीज. Okay, what are we talking about? All right, now I am going to show you some logos, okay, and you are going to tell me what is that. Are we ready to see it?
Yes.
Zero. I'm going to open the screen. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell something?
Yes.
It's Pizza Hut logo.
I know how to draw a Mercedes car logo and a BMW car logo.
Okay, cool, cool. We'll come to that. All right, guys, let's come back. Let's come back to class. Okay. You will see my screen now. ये कौन सा logo है?
Pizza Hut logo.
Pizza Hut logo. Okay. Pizza Hut logo है. What do you get here? Pizza. So anytime you see this logo, you know it's pizza यहाँ पे. Will you get roti sabji here?
No.
Oh, never. Will you get छाछ here? यहाँ पे छाछ मिलेगा?
Never.
Oh, never. You will get pizzas, you will get cold drinks, you will get milkshakes. But mainly what you get here? Pizza. So what is this logo doing? This logo is from the picture telling you what it stands for. Correct? Picture देख के तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि ये है क्या चीज. Let's go to the next one. ये क्या है?
Domino's Pizza.
Pizza again.
Domino's Pizza.
So why not we have the same logo for anything that comes up with pizza, whether it is Domino's Pizza or it's Pizza Hut? Why do they both have different logos?
It's a name of Domino's. It's brand.
Brand. Wow, I like that word, Tanishka. I'm happy you came up with that word. I didn't want to mention it. I wanted you all to come up with it. I'm so happy you came up with that word. Yes. Domino's Pizza is one brand of pizza. Pizza Hut is another brand of pizza. Ranveer, wait, not now. We'll talk later. Okay. Now, both of these companies, are they going to give you dahi chawal or roti sabji?
No, never.
No, never. What will they give you? What are they famous for?
Pizza.
So
Domino's Pizza.
just by looking at it, you know this is a food place and you will get pizza here. What is this?
Reliance.
Industries Limited.
Reliance Industries Limited, correct. Is this an Indian company?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Whenever you look at this image, see it has a R inside it. Do you see that? And यहाँ पे Jyot है. Jyot as in the little lamp.
That's why it's Reliance.
This R, this entire R stands for R of Reliance. Okay, Reliance Industries. Now Reliance is doing so many different types of businesses, right? Can somebody tell me something that you know about Reliance? Which company they have? What different companies they have?
Reliance Footprints.
Reliance.
Reliance
Cool.
Smart, Reliance Fresh.
1 minute,
Reliance Smart, Reliance
1 minute, one by one. When somebody is talking, we will have the patience to listen. Vihan said Reliance Footprints. Very good. Vihan, what do we get there? What do we get in Reliance Footprints?
Got shoes from Reliance.
Shoes. Basically, footwear. Correct? Ranveer, you said Reliance Fresh. What do you get there?
vegetables, soap, food items.
Food items, yes.
etc.
Yeah. So at Reliance Fresh, you get Grocery. Can I say it as grocery? Everything that's needed for the house. Yeah. Reliance Fresh will have everything that's needed for the house. Tanishka, can you come up with something else that Reliance does? Do you know?
I know.
No, I don't
Who is
know.
that? Yes, Subhan is saying he knows. Yes, Subhan. What do you know about it?
Line Smart.
Reliance Smart. Okay. What does Reliance Smart do?
And mobiles, TVs, etc.
So Reliance Smart, you mean to say, is into electronics?
Supplies.
Sorry?
Electronic supplies.
Electronic supplies, correct. So the name very clearly says what they are looking to give you, correct? Can we sit up straight? Everybody is answering, but you're lying down. What is this? Subhan, you again have that pillow in your hand, and that is why you're looking to lie down. Subhan, what should you do with that pillow? If you're going to have a pillow in your hand, it is definitely going to keep on telling you, so jao, so jao. Okay, cool. So we saw Reliance Fresh. What does it say? The name of the company and that it is a grocery company. Reliance, Reliance
And
Footprint.
at last but not least,
Reliance
Reliance
Footprint.
Smart. Reliance Smart.
Wait, Vihan. Reliance Footprint very clearly says it is about footwear. Now, who can tell me what is this? Which logo is
It's
this?
a car.
Which company is this?
Tata Motors. Tata
Tata. Yes, this is Tata company. Correct? Who is the owner of Tata company right now? Who is the head of Tata company right now? Jamshedji Tata. Jamshedji Tata passed away
He
long
started.
ago. Who is
He
the owner
started
of,
the company.
who is the owner now for the Tata company? Who knows that?
The next logo.
What, Pranav?
Ratan Tata.
Ratan Tata, Vihan Saxena, I owe you a big star for this. I am so happy you know this answer. Ratan Tata. Mr. Ratan Tata is the owner of Tata Group of Companies. Children, I know you may not typically have this answer, but now that we know this today, you should remember it for a long time to come. Tanishka, you will remember it if you pay attention to class and not keep doing something else.
Ma'am, I have digitized logo with me.
Ranveer, let's focus on the topic that we are talking. Okay? So Tata
company has salt also.
Tata does salt also. Yes, the moment you see Tata salt, you know that you are only going to get salt. उसके अंदर तुमको सरसों या जीरा नहीं मिलेगा, correct? उसके अंदर फोड़नी नहीं मिलेगा, उसके अंदर salt ही मिलेगा. Okay, so that's the importance of keeping the logo very close to the product. What is this? Which one is this? See? Very clearly it says,
America, good. That's my favorite in school.
I know. You know what, Vihan? That's exactly why I put this here. I know this is your favorite. I know this is your favorite, and that's exactly why I put this logo here. I know you'll be very excited seeing this logo. The moment you see this logo, you know it is
I want to go to America.
Now enough, now enough, now enough. Let's talk here. Let's listen here. The moment you see this logo, you know that it is a theme park, you know it is a water park, you know it is a snow park, you know it has a bottle. Okay? So the logo is supposed to very clearly tell you what the product stands for. What does the logo tell you? It very clearly tells you, Subhan, if you're going to keep fiddling with something all the time, you're not going to keep understanding what I talk. Very important thing is when you see a logo, it very clearly tells you what product, what item what information you are looking to buy. Correct? Got it? Now, I'm going to give you 10 minutes. You are going to come up with a logo for yourself, thinking something that you want to sell. Let's see that. Let's see if it's going to come up. Your time starts now.
And I got
Can I
it.
draw it?
Yes, you're going to get your art book and you're going to quickly use a light pencil and draw a logo that clearly will indicate what you want to convey. Okay? What you want to sell, what product you want to have. It could also be something that's your own brand. Tanishka, brand. ब्रांड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ब्रांड
Oh yes.
चलो
Brand is.
यू हैव 10 मिनट्स ड्रॉ करना है इरेज करना है ड्रॉ करना है इरेज करना है नो 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 make a quick sketch with a light pencil of what you want to do and bring it up to class. All of you have 10 minutes. Create your own logo.
I'm really excited to show my logo.
Can I create a logo that inspires me?
You have to create a logo keeping in mind what you want to convey as message. If I create a logo to sell something, but it doesn't match what I'm looking to sell, it's going to be difficult to understand what I'm selling. Remember Pizza Hut, remember Domino's Pizza, remember McDonald's. You just do see the M and you know वहाँ पे McD है, correct? तुम सिर्फ वो M बड़ा सा येलो कलर में देखते हो and you know वहाँ पे McD है. So come up with a logo which is catchy, which will exactly show what you're going to get. Quiet everybody. Only when you're quiet, you can start creating well. I put everybody on mute. No talking, no discussing.
Ma'am, I have done writing logo.
Did you write a logo or did you create a logo? I asked you something. Did you write a logo or did you create a logo?
Create.
Get it closer. Others, please focus on your logo. You're going to keep looking at others' logo. You're going to just keep getting confused what you want to do. Subhan, I can see your fingers. I cannot see the entire logo you have created. Subhan, I cannot see what you have done. Move it a little behind. Okay, still not clear. Is this your logo or is this some logo?
My logo.
What is written on it?
SSNA Hotel.
Okay. I want you to take 2-3 sentences to define your logo. What does your logo stand for? What is the product? And what is the specific about it? What is so specific about it? Why should anybody come to you for that? This is not your logo, Ranveer. This is F1 logo.
Ma'am, it inspires me.
What?
It inspires me a lot.
It inspires you, that is good, but this is the time for you to create your logo, not replicate some logo. I very clearly said, create your own logo, you get 10 minutes. That logo should clearly say what is your thought behind it. तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो by making that logo? Why should somebody look at that and remember कि ये क्या है? वरना ऐसा होगा कि टाटा सॉल्ट में सॉल्ट नहीं दिखता है, चिलीज दिखते हैं, और वो टाटा सॉल्ट के पिक्चर में चिली लगाएगा तो पता चलेगा क्या ये सॉल्ट है कि चिली है, राइट? What is the connection between the logo and what you're looking to convey? Tanishka, you're asking something. Vihan, have you made your logo?
Yes, not yet.
Then why are you
I'm
moving around?
just making the last ever logo. I'm making the model.
If you are making your logo, sit there and make it. Don't keep moving about. Tanishka, I'm opening your mic. What are you telling me? I can't hear you. Nothing? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay.
Can
cool.
I read?
No, not now. Not now. It will start influencing the others. So I don't want you to read it. No. You will click a snap of it and send it later, okay? You will click a snap of it and send it later, all right? Subhan, I'm talking to you. You will click a snap of it and send it later, all right?
Ma'am,
Car wash logo. Now you are understanding. So this is going to be for washing. Okay. Now I need you to write 3 things about it. What does it stand for? What is the service you're giving? 1 minute. Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Pranav, what are you asking me? Vihan, you're again moving about without completing your work.
Ma'am, I was asking for sharpening the pencil.
Time up. Okay, kids, it's time up. Okay, class ka time ho gaya hai. Now, I want you all to complete your logo. Write top 3 sentences about it. What does it stand for? What is the service you're giving? You can also write what inspires you to make that logo. You can write top 3 important things about that logo and send me a photo of it. All right? I'm waiting, and you need to do that before 4 o'clock. Let's not forget the time. You need to do that.
I've written an R over there for register. Nobody can copy that logo again.
No. That's C. C with a circle, copyright.
No, I wrote R over there.
Ma'am, see my
I
logo.
wrote an R, ma'am. Look. Look, ma'am, R.
Okay, all right. Cool. Kids, put down your pencils. Snack time. Wash your hands. Go clean up. Finish your snacks. Jyoti teacher will join you in 10 minutes. Come on. Pakodi day today. Pakodi day today.
Ma'am,